Hello everyone, this is Westinghouse's side-by-side fridge, model number WSE7000. So it's a 700 liter fridge. So it's got a lot of compartments, huge spaces. Drawer, wine rack, two drawers at the bottom, and this is the dairy section. Check out the freezer section. Lot of spaces. Two drawers. Some shelves on the side. And inside the fridge, this is where you control the temperature. It's got beautiful yellow LED light at the back, along with some blue lightings. Looks very nice. This is the fan running speed. As you can hear, it is extremely quiet. You can hardly notice the fan is running. This is the quietest fridge I've ever come across. If I open the door, I can hear the fan running a little bit clearer, but still very quiet.